Hello everybody, welcome to Selenium Automation Training. In this training, I will be telling you about the Selenium Automation, what is Selenium, what is WebDriver, and how this does the operation and how does it automate the application. Okay, the first one is, what is Selenium? Well, Selenium is open source web application automation tool developed by ThoughtWorks. This tool has different tools with specific roles available. The first and the basic version of tool is Selenium IDE. Selenium IDE is basically a Firefox add-in which comes and we can download it from Selenium HQ site for free. The next and the advanced feature after Selenium IDE is Selenium RC, that is Selenium Remote Control. After that, WebDriver is there and the Selenium Grid is there. In this training session, I will be focusing on WebDriver, that is Selenium 2. Okay. In the next one, I will tell you the different programming languages that Selenium supports. The good part about the Selenium is it does support multiple programming languages for the programming or the scripting, automation scripting. So for that, if you know any of the programming language, you can use the existing or the knowledge of that scripting language to code for Selenium automation. Okay, Selenium supports C#, Java, JavaScript, Perl, PHP, Ruby, and Python. So these are the underlying scripting language that Selenium supports for scripting. However, if we would have a different on the larger forum available for Java. So, and having a Java feature of platform independence, we can have the cross-browser as well as multi-browser support for Selenium automation. So it is always suggestive to use Selenium with Java programming language. As I told you, I will be focusing on WebDriver in this video, and since this is the most advanced feature available in Selenium and most widely used also. Selenium WebDriver is clean, fast framework for automation testing for web-based application. Okay, here I would like to clarify Selenium automation is basically for web-based application, unlike QTP which automates web as well as window-based application. WebDriver uses native automation for each language, which does offer much closer feel to the browser. There are some features available with the WebDriver which I would have enumerated here. The first one is like multi-browser and platform testing solution. As the name depicts, it does provide a multi-browser support, like the same set of scripts will work on multi-browser and the platform when you do the testing. The second one is better handling of multiple frames, browser, windows, pop-ups and alerts. This is like for a developer, it has an advanced feature of handling all these things. It does support iPhone and Android testing also. Nowadays mobile testing is on boom, and this Selenium has an advantage over QTP or any other automation tool since it has a support for iPhone or Android or mobile testing also. It has a feature of Ajax testing also, which is nowadays again popular. Well designed standard programming interface for web application testing, improved consistency between browsers, native automation faster and a little less prone to error, and browser configuration does not require Selenium RC server to be running. Access to HTML unit can allow really fastest great API supports. These are the other features of WebDriver. You will come to know about the different features and how powerful the WebDriver automation is when you start with the scripting. Now I tell you the basic the support for the browser and the platform that WebDriver has. In the first instance, I will tell you about the different type of browsers that WebDriver supports. The first one is Internet Explorer, which is the default browser for Windows application, Microsoft Windows. The next one is most widely used Mozilla. and Google Chrome, Safari and Opera. So these are the 5 browsers that WebDriver supports. So it does mean that okay, the same set of scripts will work on all the 4 browsers, maybe like with some or small modification. I have been testing for my web-based application also, and I am finding this very useful for testing on different versions of the browser and as well as the different types of browser. Now let's talk about the platform. It also supports on different platforms based on the underlying language you used for scripting. If you use Java, since Java is a platform independent language, it can support multi-platform also. Like for my project also, I have been testing on different platforms: Windows, Apple, Android and iOS. Latter two means Android and iOS supporting is an operating system for mobile testing. So these are the different features of the WebDriver that we have. In the next slide, I show you a basic code and I explain you about this basic code, how the programming is being done in WebDriver. First, in the WebDriver, you need to create the instance of the browser that you need to go on and launch. So in this case, I am launching the Firefox driver. What I am doing is I am launching Firefox using calling this a WebDriver Firefox object which is there already, or the class which is there already. After that, I am launching a Google application, and then from there what I am doing is I am searching a test keyword in Google, and after that I am submitting my keyword for the search operation. What I am in the next step, or in the last step, I am printing the title of the application that was being displayed. So this is the simple program that you can go on and test for your basic understanding of the Selenium. This completes the first session of the Selenium. I hope you have enjoyed the session and that was meaningful to you as well. Thank you for watching the video.